So ayan, nahuman nagyud mi og pamalit og gamit sa pool og mga floaties sa amo mga batuta. Nasda malit. Goping likod gamit sa mga pool. Pool kit maintenance, towels, floaties, getting ready para sa ha? You got it? Good job. Nagpalit sila og toy. Happy Sunday. Bili ni Daddy na ng mga dinosaur. You like it, Matthias? Oh, sa ilang towel sa pool. This is dinosaur. That's nice, love. It's like an anime comics. This one. Towels getting ready na ni. This one, oh, para na ay kuan. Sa mga bata na di pa kabalumlangon. Scooper para sa mga dahon. Pool maintenance. Floaties para sa dagko. Tropical tube. Dula kuan para sa pool. Squishy. Nasi Daddy yung inflate. Ini tapos may nani kung sa tuwa salbabida. I don't know where this now. Tapos color maranig donut. So nag-add to mi sa tuwa ka store kay na may ra magpilian gyud sa Target. Skinny beach ball. Getting ready na. And this one to the turtle. So early morning swim sa mga batuta. Naglimpyo ganina sa pool. Naglimpyo pag isa. Hey! What you do with your brother? Kuwas na itong mga manok. Early morning swim nila. Paglimpyo pa lang na ako sa pool. While mommy's cleaning, they saw me cleaning and then they want to go in the pool too. Very nice day today. It's a Memorial Day weekend. Wala ang daddy. Busy ang daddy sa work. Be nice to each other. Ezekiel, what mommy said about in and out with the ladder? Sila. Iban-iba na ang dahon. What you guys doing? Kain na po damang manok. You don't need to be in the floaty?
I don't need to go to lake. Let's race. No.
Amik kito sumang sa tubig, oh.
Which one? This one or this one? No. I have a point. I have one point. I did that too. Okay.
Beautiful kaya itong adlaw, oh.
No.
Sunny. Ezekiel, no in and out in the pool. Hey, look, he's stopping now for that thing. It's not even hurt you because that's a squishy octopus.
These are not squishy octopus. These are jellyfish. Jellyfish. And it's not to meet everybody.
Yeah?
No, these are jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Nag-cheese na sa cheese. Ay, nakakagara.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.